Alright guys, so today I'll be showing you how to add people to your Canva team. Probably when you pay for this course, I said okay, just send me your email address, then I come to my Canva app. This is my Canva app. You can also do it as well on your Canva website. Like when you go to canva.com. So the first thing you're going to do, just go to this. You can see this place, this is a Canva account and it's a pro account. It's not having something like pay for this. RDB is not pro, you see something like upgrade or something. But here now you want to come to this place, this menu. So you come to this menu. I have several things here. You can see I'm having Canva, Anonymous, blah 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 blah. So this is the team that let's say I add you to this team right now. All you have to do is like you come to these settings. When you come to these settings like this, like that is you want to add people to your team, you grab. So you click on people, don't forget, go to menu, go to settings, and come to people. So these persons now, there are people that have added to the Canva team. Then you can see something like student teacher. So the difference between student and teacher is just like admin and the number and the participant. Admin can do a lot of stuff in a group, while the participants, like the normal members, cannot do most things. Admin can remove and add people. So just like if I add you as a teacher, you can add people to my team. You can sell it. You can just immediately you get access like a teacher. You can add your families and friends you grab. So here now we create. Let's say you get the Canva team, like you want to get the Canva team, you want to know how to be selling Canva for people as well. So I'm going to add you as a teacher. So or I create a team for you, then I make you a teacher you grab. So you can now come to this place, this 3D place like this. Then you can share with either of these options like invite via share link, invite via code, invite via email. But the safe first method is invite through email, via email, because if you share them your link, like for example now let me tap this place again, invite via share link. Let's say you share this link to them, they'll be able to share it to their friends, share it to people, and immediately their friends join through that link, their app will automatically turn to pro. So you end up not gaining so much, but people will always share it. Nigeria, we love something like a wolf you grew up. So you tap on this place, you share via email. Always ask for their email address if you want to use particularly on Canva. Then let's say the email is the love something. Let me just use this email. Maybe I can still remember. Let me just use any email. For example, let me use this one. Let me use this one. So let's say this is the email that I want to add now. So you add it to just one of these. Although even though you add it to all of them, it will still go to just one account. So if you want to add one, all you have to do is like you tap the email like this, you paste the email here, then you change this one to students. Don't forget students. You see, students can create and share design with both the teacher and the rest of the class. Teacher can manage the class and create templates for the class to use. You will. So you want to add them as a student for people that get the Canva Pro. Like you want to know how to upgrade their account to Pro account to grab. But if you want to add people to your team, maybe it's your brother or your business partner, you also want them to be a beneficiary so that they can sell as well. So you can add them as a teacher you grab. So you just change this one to teacher, then you add the email address, you send the invitation. Once I type this place now, send the invitation. Just something like invitation has been added or something. You are going to see it saying invitation sent to marisacolade@gmail.com. So I'll check my email address and accept the invitation. So once I've accepted it, then it will automatically change to pro account. Now let me pause this video and show you how it will be on, how it will look like on my email address. Now this is the email address I sent the Canva invitation link to. See Ninja via Canva. Like this is a this is the invitation link. So you are invited to a class, join the class. So this is how it will look on your email, or it will look on their own email. People that you add either as a student or as a teacher. So this is how it will look like on their own Canva. So all you have to do is like you join this class. So once you click on it, it will direct you to your Canva app, or it will direct you to what's it called now, to their email address or their website, just for them to upgrade the crap. So and boom, that's all. You have been invited to Canva, join team. This is how it will look like. So they join the team. Yeah, I don't want to join any team you grab. Let's say I want to join. Let's just test first. Let's test first. Sign in. See, I'm not having that account, is not having account on Canva. So if they are not having any account on Canva before, probably they just want to use it for as a beginner. You tell them to sign up. So okay, got it. And they will sign up. So you don't need to send any app, you don't need to send any this one is not cracked app. All you have to tell them to download the Canva app on maybe Apple Store, Play Store, or maybe probably the using website or something. So just ask for their email address and you send them this. So thank you. That's just it's simple, it's arithmetic. This is something that you can make money with. A lot of people have been selling this stuff. I myself I sell it indirectly via my YouTube channels and all of them you grab. So it really help you.